Way to go. Zadar looking for the leader. Running by Lady Pegasus Lacrosse joining them now. Kati Punera then followed by Spread My Wings. The San Diego Royal Biba. While Take Me Tonight is running in the tail of the field, passing the winning post. Sadar just in front, followed by Lacrosse. Kati Punera is on the outside. Third Lady Pegasus nicking in. Spread My Wings in between horses. And going along for the first turn, it's Sadar leads by flank, followed now by Lady Pegasus. And moving up in third, Spread My Wings. Lacrosse 2 lengths back. Kati Punera, the San Diego Take Me Tonight. While Royal Biba is now running in the tail of the field. Halfway down the trouble, it's Sadar leads by half flank, followed by Lady Pegasus. Spread My Wings on the outside. And 4 lengths back, Lacrosse, the San Diego Take Me Tonight. Kati Punera inside the last 600. It's now Lady Pegasus leads by some 3 lengths now. Sadar running in second, running in third. He Spread My Wings. The San Diego is coming closer in fourth, and Lacrosse Take Me Tonight. Kati Punera, Royal Biba as they swing for home. They got to be hurry now as Lady Pegasus. Spread Eagle now by some 6 lengths, followed by the San Diego. Spread My Wings, Take Me Tonight, Lacrosse, Royal Biba, Kati Punera, Sadar, and finally Lady Pegasus. The San Diego, Spread My Wings, Lacrosse, Royal Biba.
Spectacular in performance, lady.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the featured race won by Lady Pegasus, the Philracom Manila Horsepower Cup in honor of Jose Ferdinand, Attorney Joy Rojas. Bayang karirista, bigyan ko lang kayo ng konting kwento, konting trivia lang. Magmula po nung umupo ng term si Attorney Joy Rojas, ay marami siyang naging suporta sa Manila Horsepower. Sa mga sponsored races, sa mga aming mga activities, sa mga outreach projects namin. Kaya naman naisip po ng Manila Horsepower na bigyan siya ng tribute. Although hindi na siya connected ngayon sa Philracom, is now the General Manager of the Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office. And we would like to congratulate you, Attorney Joy Rojas, for the support na in-extend po ninyo sa aming organization. Maraming salamat po, sir. Sama rin natin po ang ibang mga supporters sa Manila Horsepower, siyempre from the racing club, si Mr. Ding Magbuo, si Nathan, alright, at saka si Commissioner Jess Cantos ng Philracom, one of the newest commissioners ng Philracom. Former OTB owner, former horse owner, kaibigan din ng Manila Horsepower yan. At siyempre, bumubuo, mga gwapong lalaki ng Manila Horsepower. Alright, siyempre, baka nyo mamaya, may drama kami ng mga dalawang muse natin. Alright. Tawagin na natin ang representative ng kabayong Lady Pegasus, 4th choice. Sino po ang representative ni Don Antonio Florendo? Trainer Egoy Hipolito, former jockey, ngayon ay successful trainer. Trainer Egoy, congratulations sir. Inasahan niyo ba to? Alright, maganda raw sa trangko. Talaga naman inasahan niya yung kabayan niya, si Lady Pegasus. Malayo, nanalo. Presenting the trophy, si Commissioner Jess Cantos. Alright. Ngayon, tatawagin naman natin ha. Tatanggap din po ng plaque ang trainer and jockey. So yung trainer and jockey standby, si Trainer Egoy Hipolito tatanggap din po ng plaque. Trainer Egoy, Mr. Hipolito, sir, ito po ang plaque coming from the Manila Horsepower, sir. Ayan, galing din kay Commissioner Jess. And Kelvin Abobo, pare, diyan ka ba Kelvin? Kelvin, come on down! Alright, ayan si Kelvin, maganda ang pagkakadala niya. Uy, habang nga pala hinihintay natin si Kelvin, meron kaming dala dito na photo booth dyan sa second floor ng main building natin. Bira to, pwede kayo magpa-picture ng libre, lalo na yung mga patrons natin sa VIP area. Marciano Campo, kumusta ka dyan, sir? Alright, Mandaluyong boys, mamaya tawagin natin yan. Right, Kelvin Abobo receiving the plaque from Commissioner Jess. O sige na, Kelvin, pagbigyan mo na sila, pasadahan mo na yung mga muse natin. Alright. tatanggap din po ang winning groom. Siyempre, dahil pangako ng Manila Horsepower to, karamihan sa mga sota natin ngayon, mananalo ng mountain bike. Mountain bike plus, meron pa tayong added 20,000 courtesy of the Philippine Racing Commission. So, Trainer Egoy, asan yung sota natin, sir? Eto, asan si Trainer Egoy? Trainer Egoy, ano pa? Paano yung sota natin? Alright, Eric. Gandang lalaki ni Eric. Suot niya ng silks. Kanina ba silks yan? Pare, tanggapin mo ang bisikleta. Sa'yo yan. Paano ba mag-bike? Alright, kaya daw niya. Saan mo gagamitin yan? Dito lang, sa kwadra. Malaking bagay yan. Alright. Dito ka, pare. Ay, congratulating mo na rin itong mga chicks natin. Ipasada mo yung tricycle. Ay, yung bisikleta mo. Alright, at habang nagpipictorial tayo, may we have a few words from Attorney Joy Rojas, sir.
Magandang hapon daw sa inyong lahat. Magandang hapon din sa Manila Horsepower. Ako'y nagagalak na taon-taon, tuloy-tuloy ang pagsuporta ng Manila Horsepower sa industriya ng karera. Over the years, talagang Manila Horsepower, bigay na bigay ang suporta na binibigay sa ating industriya. At kami natutuwa at makaka-expect kayo ng support sa PCSO at I'm sure sa Philippine Racing Commission sa lahat ng inyong mga undertaking at gawain. Once again, more power to Manila Horsepower.
More power to Manila Horsepower. Super power na talaga. And in connection with that, Attorney Joy, mayroon po sasabihin ng aming chairman, si Chairman Edwin.
Thank you, Jim. The Manila Horsepower Organization dedicate the 2012 Pilreco Manila Horsepower Cup in honor of Attorney Jose Ferdinand Rojas II for his inspiring and immeasurable contribution to the horse racing industry, as well as his tenure as director and later becoming the chairman of Philippine Racing Commission that opened the doors of the commissions to all its stakeholders. He also accommodated various Manila Horsepower programs and projects geared toward contributing to the growth of the horse racing industry. Signed, Antonio Neri, President, Ferdi Eusebio, Chairman, and Edwin Guillarte, Chairman Emeritus.
Alright, congratulations. Maraming salamat po, Attorney Joy Rojas, for your support through the years sa Manila Horsepower. Alright, Bayang Karidisa, announcement lang po para doon sa mga patrons natin na nandito sa loob ng San Lazaro Leisure Park. Yung mga nagbigyan ng tickets, meron tayong tickets, di ba? Yung mga nabigyan ng mga t-shirts, magra-raffle na ho tayo para sa pamimigay namin na mountain bike. So, yung may mga ticket, pumunta na ho kayo doon sa likod at ipamimigay na namin yung bisikleta. And now, Bayang Karidista, ang susunod na karera ay ang
Marjorie De Vera.
may premyo tayo dyan, mamaya may premyo, di ba?
Yes, may premyo po tayo.
Right. At ang lahat na iyan ay masasaksiyan ninyo dito lang sa...
Ano yun?
Dito lang sa...
San Lazaro Leisure Park.
Alright, ikaw ano masasabi mo?
Hi.
Mamaya, magbabalik pa po kami.